Welcome back to our channel. For today's video we will mix light gray quick drying enamel for wooden surfaces. Before we start, we just wanna say thank you to 100 people who subscribe to our channel. We appreciate every view, likes, comments and subscription. More paint mixing tutorial videos to upload. Thank you for your support. Our client's sample. Let's mix and match. This is quick drying enamel white, alka type paint. We have also quick dry enamel black and enamel blue as tinting colors. First, we will pour quick dry enamel black on 80% ratio of enamel white. Then drop a small amount of enamel phthalo blue. Then stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more bluish. Let's add more quick dry enamel black. It's almost the same. We're just a little more lighter. Let's add more enamel black. Stir the paint well. Great! It's the same now. Mixing accomplished. Our estimated ratio for mixing light gray enamel is 80% quick dry enamel white, 15% quick dry enamel black, and 5% enamel phthalo blue. Until next paint mixing tutorial video, if you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button to keep updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.